Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is all-purpose garam masala, which is a unique kind of spice mix and it can be used in any kind of recipe, whether it is veg or non-veg. So let's begin. Here I have some black peppercorns, fennel seeds, Kashmiri red chilies, Shah Jeera or black caraway, carom seeds, cinnamon sticks, mace or Jawitri, green cardamoms and black cardamoms. So all these whole spices are going to be roasted now. So here I placed a tawa or pan on a gas oven, and now I am adding the red chilies first because they will take more time to roast. Keep on moving this and higher the flame. Now I have also added the cardamoms, cinnamon sticks and the mace because these are also take a little time to roast. You can see they are well roasted. Now just keep on moving this and I am adding the rest of the whole spices in it. Please note that at this time the tawa is very hot and they will instantly start spluttering. So keep moving this pan like this and you can see they are spluttering on the pan. Keep on moving these spices or just try to roll it in the pan so that they are not overcooked or burned. They are now absolutely done. Now I am switching off the flame and I have to take it out in another pan to cool it down. So I am taking it out and adding this to a plate. Now while it is still hot, I am adding 1 teaspoon of anardana to it. This is ready to use anardana powder and you can find it easily in a local store, or I have shared a link in the description box, so check it out where you can find this anardana powder. Now I will rest it for some time to cool down after mixing the anardana. After cooling down, I have put this in a mixie jar and closing the lid, and now I am going to grind this to a fine powder. The whole spices now grinded to a fine powder. Let me show you after removing the blade. This is how the spice should look like. I am taking this out from the jar to a plate. So this all-purpose Indian spice mix is ready. You can use this in any kind of recipes, whether it is veg or non-veg, and you need a clean container to store this masala. So I am adding this to a clean container and I am now closing the lid, and this can be stored for at least 2 months easily. To watch the recipes with this masala, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I add a recipe to this channel. Thanks for watching.